A bird came to feed its young. A stone came to destroy the nest. You were the one who took the stone. You were the one who threw the stone.
Your enemy is a bird. You were one of those who acted. Perhaps the bird would migrate to lands where no stones were thrown. That bird was like you. The only difference is that he escaped. You, on the other hand, would wait for a new one to come. Or someone else would throw stones at you until you escaped. Everything began with harboring resentment towards the bird at the top of the tree.
Then resentment towards the bird at the foot of the tree.
It was understood when you fed it, actually.
The problem was neither in the stone nor in the bird.
The problem was being so blind as to not partake of the fruit-bearing tree.
And to seek your share